He was an arrogant prince until he became a frog. Intermediate B1. Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by green hills and shining lakes, there lived a prince named Henry. From the day he was born, Henry had everything he wanted. Servants ran when he called. People were afraid to make him angry. His parents loved him very much and never said no to him. Because of this, Henry grew up proud and selfish. He was very handsome, with golden hair and bright eyes. But his heart was not beautiful. He spoke badly to people. He laughed at servants. He became angry very easily. Everyone walked carefully around him, afraid of his temper. When Henry became a young man, his parents told him it was time to marry. "There is a princess," the king said, "who is kind and good." Henry frowned. "What if she is ugly?" he asked. "Beauty is not everything," the queen answered softly. "For me, it is," Henry said. He decided to go secretly to see the princess before the wedding. The village was near a forest and a small lake. Henry hid behind the trees and watched. The princess was helping children and laughing. Her dress was a little dirty from the ground. She was beautiful, but natural and simple. Henry felt relieved. Then he saw something that made him feel sick. The princess walked to the lake and gently picked up a frog. She smiled and put it back in the water. Henry almost vomited. "That is disgusting," he said loudly. The princess turned, surprised. "Sorry," she said softly. "A princess touching frogs like that?" Henry said with disgust. "I am Prince Henry. I could never marry someone so dirty and low." The girl's eyes filled with tears. "They are living creatures," she whispered. Henry laughed. "You are not good enough for me." The princess ran home crying. Henry went back to the forest laughing with his friends. He did not know that someone had seen everything. The princess's aunt was a witch who lived deep in the forest. She had a kind heart but strong magic. Later she appeared in front of Henry. "Do you feel sorry for hurting that girl?" she asked. Henry smiled proudly. "No, she touched frogs. She disgusts me." The witch became angry. "You do not respect life or kindness," she said. "Now you will learn." She raised her staff and bright green light surrounded him. In seconds, Henry became a frog. His friends ran away in fear. "You will stay like this," the witch said, "until you learn humility and receive a kiss from a princess who truly cares." Then she disappeared. Henry tried to return to the castle. Guards screamed. People almost stepped on him. No one knew he was the prince. His parents searched everywhere, but never found him. Henry lived in the swamp. At first he thought girls would still like him, but every time he came close, they screamed and ran away. Days passed, weeks passed. Henry felt lonely. He watched the animals as simple life in the swamp. Slowly he changed. He helped other creatures. He became kind. He learned patience. One day a golden ball fell into the swamp. "My ball, my beautiful ball," a girl cried. It was a princess. "I can get it for you," Henry said. "If you do, I will give you a kiss," she promised. Henry jumped into the water and brought the ball back, but the princess ran away to the castle. Her father heard everything. "A promise is a promise," the king said. So Henry was taken to the castle. Days passed. The princess talked to him. They laughed together. She stopped feeling afraid of him. She saw his kind heart. One night she said, "Good night," and kissed him on the cheek. Suddenly a bright light appeared. Henry was no longer a frog. He was a prince again. The curse was broken. Henry returned to his parents. He asked forgiveness from everyone. He became a respectful son, a good friend, and later a wise king. And he never forgot the lesson. True beauty lives in the heart.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.
Take their flight. Every